However, some of the celebrities come to the limelight and they say, we don't want Botox, we don't support it.
Some people are genetically, they age very slowly, and some people in their even late 30s, they start looking much older.
While you were mentioning that, it brought me to a very recent case that I saw on Instagram. I'm sure you must have seen it too. Urfi Javed recently posted a video where she got her lip fillers removed, if I'm not wrong, and her face was like bizarrely swollen, and that ignited a lot of controversy online because people were thinking, okay, fillers are bad, we know it, but removing them is also equally harmful. What is that like and everything? So when you saw that video, what was your take? And do you agree with this entire fiasco that's going on the internet?
I think I was very relieved to see Urfi posting this. I've also made a video about it on my Instagram page. But what really relieved me is someone coming and talking about it, that it can actually be removed.
Yeah.
You know, many people are scared of fillers that agar kara liya acha nahi laga. Well, it can be removed, it can be reversed. So that's the best part about filler. You want a certain kind of lip, you go to a dermatologist, you have all the discussion, you get it done. Even last thing, although I've never dissolved a filler, everyone loves it. If at all you do not like it, we have an option to dissolve it. So you just have to give an injection to dissolve it, and you do get 2-3 days of swelling. However, for Urfi, I don't know if it's only that injection that gave the swelling, or she did another procedure along with it that led to that much of swelling. Because usually when I dissolve lip filler, it's 1 to 2 days of swelling for sure, but not that great.
Okay.
We do give some anti-inflammatory medication to reduce the swelling, but yes, at the max 7 days of downtime, and then the lips are back to natural. So that's a very beautiful part about filler, that it's literally a artwork. You create it, and if you do not like it, you can actually recreate it.
Yeah, makes sense. Now there are also other celebrities. While Urfi posted about getting it removed, there are celebrities who talk about getting such treatments done. Some openly come to the limelight, some keep it hidden, but it comes out eventually. But they have very different approach to it all the time, and people really look up to them. However, some of the celebrities come to the limelight and they say, we don't want Botox, we don't support it, we rather would go with healthy diet and everything. So does this thing have a connection with diet and everything? Can either of the things be substitute to each other at all? Is that true?
So obviously diet plays a very important role. Diet, your lifestyle, your stress levels, your sleeping pattern, all of these are highly contributing into how fast you age. Similarly, your genetics. Some people are genetically, they age very slowly, and some people in their even late 30s, they start looking much older. But apart from that, you cannot really compare these things with aesthetic treatments, because aesthetic treatments are actually made for age reversal.
Okay.
So they actually make you look instantly after the procedure, maybe 2 years to 5 years younger.
Okay.
That is how fillers, or a procedure called HIFU, which is ultrasound based skin tightening procedure, or a Botox, which can actually in 7 days take away the lines that you're getting on your forehead. Skin boosters, which improve the quality of your skin. So these are very powerful treatments which can give positive results in the direction of looking more younger.
Younger, right. Okay. In your own experience of dealing with multiple patients across your time in the profession, what kind of treatments do you say are the most effective, or the ones that have mostly been helpful for a lot of people for different reasons aesthetically? What are they?
Right. So at Skinfinity Derma, we majorly focus on natural looking treatments which give you a healthy skin.
Okay.
That's our priority. But for patients, what they ask for, the most popular treatments, PRP, laser toning for even skin tone, skin rejuvenation treatments like chemical peels,
Right.
microneedling. These are the treatments that people come in and ask for directly because of maybe the social media that's showing it, and the before after results that they see. They see celebrities going and doing in these treatments. So these are the popular ones.